Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a mouse trail in Scratch. So let's get started. First, you have to delete the sprite named Sprite1. You can do this by clicking on the small dustbin icon here. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this sprite? You have to click yes. Now, go to choose a sprite and then search star. The sprite should look like this. Click on it. Now go to the events category and bring out when green flag clicked. Then go to the control category and bring out forever. Now go to the motion category and bring out go to random position. Now click on the small downward arrow and then select mouse pointer. Now let's test out the project. As you can see, the star is following our mouse, but it is very boring and there's nothing fun. So let's add some effects. Click on this icon to exit full screen mode and then stop the project. Go to controls and bring out create a clone of myself and then put it in the forever loop. Now again test out the project. As you can see, the star is making clones, but they are not disappearing. And there is a limit of 300 clones in Scratch. So after it creates 300 clones of itself, it will stop. So let's add a system so that it disappears, but it disappears with a cool effect. So let's exit the full screen mode and then click the stop button. And also be sure that you have selected create a clone of myself. Otherwise it will create the clone of another sprite and it will not work. Now go to the control category and bring out when I start as a clone. Drag it in the workspace. Then go to the looks category and bring out change color effect by 25. There's a lot of effects in Scratch that might be helpful. For example, the change color effect changes the color of the sprite. The pixelate effect changes the pixelate of the sprite, and the whirl changes the whirl of the sprite. But we need the ghost effect. Now go here and click on this small circular thing and then type here 10. Then go to control category and bring out repeat 10 times. So basically this will run the code 10 times. After that it will stop. Put it in when I start as a clone. Then go to the control category and scroll down until you see this block named delete this clone. Drag it below when I start as a clone. Your code should look something like this. Now test out the project. As you can see, now the star is following our mouse pointer, but it's making clones and it is making the project cooler. So basically the clones are changing the ghost effect by 10 and repeating this 10 times until they have fully disappeared. Then the clone deletes itself so that the clones of the star do not stop working. Now if we put out the delete this clone, then after some time it will stop. Like this, because the Scratch has reached its limit of 300 clones. So now you have successfully made a mouse trail in Scratch. Feel free to change the costume of the sprite, and you can make any costume you want, or you can select any costume like this. If I have picked the apple costume, then you have made a trail of an apple. So thank you guys for watching, and then see you in the next Scratch episode. Bye bye.